Hello and welcome to TextPlays. Today we're going to learn how to create a shortcut from any highlighted section. And if you're new here, TextPlays is the fastest way to automize your snippets on the web. Today we're going to create our first snippet. We're going to do this in a matter of minutes and you're going to love it when it's done. So how many of us get new emails to which we have already responded to constantly? In this scenario, we're looking at how do I change my TextPlays email account. Well, normally what I would just do is look for an old email, find that, copy, paste, and put it in the new email. Today we're going to do something different. We highlight it. We're going to go to TextPlays, and where it says Make Snippet from Selection, go ahead and click that. It's going to open a brand new window. This is your TextPlays dashboard. From here, you can see that you've inserted what you just highlighted. Let's go ahead and label it and create a shortcut that we cannot forget. This is the most important thing. You can also go ahead and see, you know what, we can tighten this up. We can look and there's bulletin points. Clean it up a bit. I'm going to go and start adding just bulletin numbers. Make this seem a little bit more professional. One of the advantages of being able to do this on the TextPlays dashboard. And let's just go ahead and make this in bold, why not? Okay, from here, if we like what we see, we go and just click save, and we're gonna go and create the snippet. Let's test this out. All right, let's go back to that email, and now we're just gonna go ahead and insert the shortcut we had created earlier. Forevermore now, you can use the snippet instead of copy and paste or rewriting the email. Say goodbye to manual work and manual errors. And how simple was this really? Very simple, you can customize it, and there you go. Thank you for choosing TextPlays, and until next time.